4 Kendall in the city of Los Angeles. We're going through a 4-inch clean out located in the driveway. We've just finished hydrojetting, gone through there about 6 or 7 times, and there's some massive root intrusion that was all throughout the line. We've removed a lot of the root just in order to get the camera to go through. What we viewed is the line has a problem in the street, approximately 7 to 8 feet deep in the street, and we're unable to get the camera through there or the jetter. But we can get from the property all the way through to the street area now. But again, we can't make it into the main line because there's as you'll see right now, we'll go through here. Here we go. Okay, this is the first offset. You're going to see I'm going to zero out the camera. Well, we're about 4 feet in, huh? Yeah. Okay, here we go. There's an offset right here. This is right under the sidewalk, the little retaining wall right here. And this is actually right at the sidewalk where the grass meets the sidewalk. And we have heavy root here. This is the area right here where we couldn't get through. There was massive root here at 12 to 15 feet. You'll see there was a huge root right here. That was a huge root that we cut through. Because the pipe is concrete, I don't want to be too aggressive on the cleaning because there's a possibility that the concrete, you see a crack right there. This is where the root was coming in. Right here is where that root was coming in and didn't allow us to go through. It's a pretty thick root, as you can see right there. And on the bottom, you'll see a big crack on the pipe. After we cut through that root, there was another one just followed it, which is this one, and this one's growing. There was a big knuckle root right there. Go ahead and push through it. This is cut root, I believe. We'll be able to see. That was thick. Okay. That green hose is the jetter hose. We still have it in there because we're going joint to joint or root intrusion to root intrusion and cutting out as we see, but we're watching as we cut it to be very careful that you don't go too aggressive, and if there's a hole in the pipe we can get stuck, so we're trying not to get stuck. But as you can see, we've cut a lot of root out of here. There's the cutter head of the jetter. We're going to pass that. We get to an area out here, right here where it begins. The camera starts going underwater, and then we come to an area where we can't go any further. All this is underwater. Okay, we can see right there, it looks like possibly mud. See right there? That looks like a broken pipe. Yeah, we're underwater right now. It looks like the piece of pipe is missing there possibly. We're going to run some water and see if we can't get a more clear picture of that. We'll stop recording right now until we get a clear picture. Okay, we've ran some water here and we're trying to view what you can see. Barely you can see it. We're going to go ahead and go forward, and you're going to see the pipe that we're underwater. I believe the pipe is broken here at the saddle, because you can see we'll come straight to an area that looks like concrete right there. And that looks like we're underneath the pipe or outside the saddle. Something's in the way here. Stop right there. Yeah, we got to be outside the pipe. Pull back. Pull back. Yeah. Okay. Keep pulling back. You'll see we'll come back into the pipe here. There's the pipe. We're starting to see the pipe now. Possible the saddle may have fallen down off the main, because we're not seeing any roots now. It's just a hard stop. The camera just comes to a hard stop right there. Stop. Yeah, Something's dropped off there. You see the black line on both sides of the pipe. That tells you this line's been holding water for a while. But I think we're definitely, the saddle possibly has fallen off here. Okay, so that completes the video inspection here at 424 Kendall in Los Angeles.